International shopping sites without OTP. Hello everyone, welcome back to Roladel Business, and in this video I will be showing you how you can shop online without OTP internationally. There are many ways in which you can shop online without OTP, and I'm going to expose most of them in this video. Before I continue, make sure to subscribe to this video and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime we drop another interesting video like this. Also, please note that Roladel Business is not in any way promoting or encouraging any form of cybercrime with the video, rather to inform and educate their viewers on this channel. Don't ever use it against others, because if you do, you are responsible for the consequences of indulging in this format. As someone who's looking for how to shop online without OTP, you can buy domain name and hosting service from the hosting company. You can pay for software like Grammarly and a lot of other online software out there and sell it to people that need it. And the third way is to buy gift card from a website that allows users to buy gift card without having to send them OTP. But in this video, I'll be covering these three basic methods. But there are many other ways in which you can shop online, but this video is going to be limited to these three simple methods. Again, before I get started, I must remind you that this website doesn't encourage you to use a third-party debit card to shop on their website. They just literally allow you to shop online without the OTP, because if you do otherwise, like if they notice any fishy activities like the phone number that you provided, you're using a VPN or all sorts of things like that, you might be trapped. So while using this website and this method I'll be discussing in this video, you must make sure that you stay legit and walk your way through all the steps. So having said that, let's get started. So the first method I'll be covering in this video is shopping online by buying domain names and hosting services from a hosting company. One of the hosting companies that allow you to buy a hosting service and a domain name without OTP is namecheap.com. So you can go online and search it, or use the link in the description below to get started. Once you search Namecheap, it will pop up like this on your screen. Then you go to the first search result page, and as you can see, this is the official homepage of Namecheap hosting platform. From here, you can actually look for a particular domain name to get. As you can see, let me search for this one. So once you enter a particular domain name and click on the search button, then they will check if this domain name that you entered is available, or whether someone else or some company has bought it. You know that once a domain is registered, you can register it again. So as you can see, this one is available for sale, and all I have to do is to just click on add to cart. But before that, you need to set up your account without that Namecheap. It takes some series of processes, like you providing them with an email address, your name, and some other important information. But that is very simple. So I will walk you through all those ones. As you can see, I have my own account set up already. So once I come to this add to cart, then click on this checkout. As you can see, this is my checkout. This domain is available $9.53 per year. So you can actually buy this domain, and maybe not what you do with it. If you are trying to buy a domain name and you don't have access to the OTP that pack, just enter your phone number. You can actually buy a domain name here and start using it, or maybe resell to your friends. But always remember, do not use this knowledge for fraudulent activities. So after this one, let us go to the second method to shop online without OTP. The second way in which you can shop online without OTP is by buying softwares online, like paid softwares online or monthly subscription fee. For instance, Grammarly is a popular software. If you've been browsing online, you've been searching on Google, you must have come across Grammarly. It helps to correct grammar errors while you type something on Chrome browsers. It has a Chrome extension, and also it has an interface where copywriters use it to format their text. So as you can see, Grammarly charge a very high fee for their online softwares. As you can see here, they have 3 to 9 seats. I think all these things are not the purpose of this video, but as you can see here, they charge $180 USD annually for 3 to 9 seats, while 10 to 49 seats is $174. So you can actually pay for Grammarly without having to know. They don't request OTP. Once you input your card details, the transaction will go smoothly. You can just come search for Grammarly on Google like this, and once you search, then it pops up. You can go ahead and sign in. If you don't have an account before, then it will prompt you to sign up, and after signing up or signing in with your Google account, then you can proceed to buy their premium package and then make your payments using card. So the number 3 method in which you can shop online is buying gift cards online. One of the platforms that allows you to buy gift cards without OTP is mygiftcardsupply.com. As you can see, this is just one of them that I added to cart recently. I still have a link to this website in the description below, so if you want to search it, you can just go ahead on Google and search for the website. Again, you can use the link in the description below. So this website allows you to buy gift card without OTP. So after buying it, if you want to resell it to vendors in your country, you can easily do that. I believe you all know how to sell gift card with it, and you all know which vendor to accept gift cards in your country, so I don't need to walk you through that. There are many other websites in which you can shop online without OTP, but I'm not going to cover all of them in this video. I will link some of them in the description below. So if you are interested in checking them out, you can consider checking the description of this video. And if you like to watch more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe, because we have more valuable tips like this to share with you in the future. Before I go, if you have any questions, you can leave them in this comment section, and below I would do my best to attend to them. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.